Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Slack to enforce MFA for workspace security. Full guide step by step clearly. To connect Slack to enforce multi-factor authentication, start by logging into your Slack workspace. Open your workspace settings by clicking on the workspace name in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Administration, then click on Settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Security section. Look for the option labeled Authentication or Multi-Factor Authentication. Click on Manage Multi-Factor Authentication. Select the option to enforce MFA for all members of the workspace. Choose whether to require MFA for all users or give them the option to enable it. Save your settings after making your selection. Next, notify your workspace members about the new MFA requirement. Provide guidance on how to set up MFA in their Slack accounts. Direct them to their account settings by clicking on their profile picture. In the Account menu, they should select Profile and Account. Under the Security section, they will find the MFA setup options. Encourage them to choose a method for receiving the authentication codes. Options may include an authenticator app or SMS. Once they've chosen a method, they should follow the prompts to complete the setup. Remind users to store backup codes securely in case they lose access to their authentication method. In the event of any issues, suggest reaching out to the workspace administrator or Slack support. Finally, reinforce the importance of MFA in keeping their workspace secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.